Tired of being cooped up inside? Why not bring the beauty of the outdoors indoors? Don't have a green thumb? Try a succulent terrarium. Succulent plants are easy to maintain and add a bit of nature therapy to your home or office.
Hello from Laguna Niguel, California. My name is Janice Muldong, and today I'll be showing you how to create your very own succulent terrarium. It's a very easy and simple DIY project, and it will probably take you less than an hour. Most of us are already staying home anyway, so this is definitely a project that you can do while you're stuck inside the house. So let's go ahead and get started.
To create your very own succulent terrarium, you will need soil, preferably cactus soil, decorative pebbles or small rocks, terrarium or any kind of glass container, such as a cookie jar, a fish bowl, or a glass vase. And you'll also need your succulents. Additionally, you'll need a trash bag, scissors, a small funnel or empty water bottle, and gloves if you don't want to get your hands dirty. Step 1. Add a thick layer of soil. Make sure to add enough for the plants to root. I prefer to use cactus potting soil, but regular potting soil works also. As an added step, make sure that you create a base of either rocks or sand before you add the potting soil to your terrarium. Step 2. Remove the plant from the pot and loosen the dirt. Place it in your terrarium bowl and gently press. Continue to transplant your succulents and arrange them inside the terrarium. Step 3. Add your decorative pebbles for the final step. If you don't have a funnel, you can use a cut water bottle as an alternative to add rocks to the hard-to-reach places. And there you have it. You've just created your very own succulent terrarium. To care and maintain, give the terrarium direct sunlight every day for at least 5 hours. Water the terrarium every 2 weeks or even less. Succulents are desert plants and do not need much water.
I hope you guys had fun today creating your very own succulent terrarium, and I hope you found it as easy as I said it would be. From Laguna Niguel, California, my name is Janice Muldong. We live in interesting times. Stay productive, guys!
Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel right over here. And if you like this video, make sure you check out our Digital and curated playlist over here.